So how do we create a Facebook cover video for our page in 2021? Now, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, the top box area here on your Facebook page, the option of having a video, that's what I'm talking about. So how do we actually create that and upload it? Now, Facebook had given us a few options. The first one was just having a single image. Secondly, they would give us the option of creating a slideshow like I'm showing you now. And the third option was having a very prominent video displayed here, and that's called your cover video. So how do we create and upload a cover video to our Facebook page? Well, we go to the edit button down here and then up pops these options. But unfortunately, I have some bad news for everyone because a few months ago, Facebook, for whatever reason, seemed to have removed the option of uploading a cover video. We can only now choose a photo, we can do a slideshow, that type of thing. And it's very, very disappointing. And if I show you an image of the old Facebook interface, it was as simple as this. You would click on the change cover and then upload photo and video option became available. But currently at the recording of this video in August 2021 and going back from a few months ago, that option has been removed and I don't know why. Now, if any of us now go searching on YouTube or Google, you will find literally hundreds of videos all on this particular topic on how to record and upload a Facebook cover video. But unfortunately, all of them are now obsolete, which I think is very disappointing because having a cover video here was the most visual part of our Facebook page, and video content is the preferred medium. People would rather engage with us these days. So to try and explain in more detail what's happened, I actually recorded and uploaded a video a few weeks ago to my YouTube channel. Have Facebook cover videos been removed? So I will put the link to that one in the description below, and you can have a watch on that one for a more depth tutorial on what's happened to Facebook cover videos. Which means I'm going to have to end this video now because there is nothing more that I can tell you, because the option of recording and uploading a Facebook cover video to our page is no longer available at time of recording this video. So if you're wanting to stay up to date with everything that's happening in the world of social media, my weekly videos on my YouTube channel is the resource to go to. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell icon. Equally, you can like and follow me on my Facebook page as well.